Chapter 19. More about conjunctions. What does a conjunction do? A conjunction is a word used for joining 1. One word to another word. 2. One word to a clause. 3. One sentence to another sentence. That is, one clause to another clause. One word joined to another word. When two words are joined together by a conjunction, each is usually of the similar part of speech. Thus, a noun is joined to a noun or a pronoun, a verb to a verb, an adjective to an adjective, an adverb to an adverb, and a preposition to a preposition. Let's see some examples. Noun to noun. Ram and Rahim are two friends. Noun to pronoun. Johnny and I do the work. Pronoun to pronoun. You and he are both wrong. Verb to verb. Lisa sat down and wept. Adjective to adjective. They are sad but hopeful. Adverb to adverb. A cat moves slowly and silently. Preposition to preposition. He has read the book through and through. Note, and joins similar ideas, but joins opposite ideas, or denotes alternative ideas. He is strong and brave. He is weak but brave. Do or die means if you do not do, you will die. Do and die. If you do, you will die. One word joined to a clause. Clause means a group of words having a finite verb. Adverb and clause. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Adverb and clause. Such was her beauty that everybody loved her. Adverb and clause. No sooner had I sat down than they left the room. One clause joined to another clause. A clause is a shorter sentence within a bigger sentence. Among those conjunctions which join one clause or one sentence to another clause or another sentence, the most common can be seen from these examples. First part of sentence, conjunction, and the second part of sentence. My father says that this book is mine. He works hard so that he may succeed. I trust his word because he speaks the truth. The girl will come if she is allowed to do so. I wish to know whether he will come or not. I wish to know how the sick man is now. He could not pass, though he tried often. It is a long time since I saw you last. Correlatives. There are some conjunctions that go in pairs. They are called correlatives, such as both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, so that, such that, no sooner than, hardly when, scarcely when, else than, rather than, else but. Examples. Noun to noun. He is both a fool and a knave. Adjective to noun. He is as busy as a bee. adjective to adjective. He's both wise and good. Adjective to adjective. He's not only wise but also good. Verb to verb. He must either work or go. He would rather die than beg. Adverb to adverb. He behaved neither wisely nor kindly. Kinds of conjunctions for joining clauses. Conjunctions are of two types. 1. Coordinating. 2. Subordinating. Coordinating conjunctions are of four types. A. Cumulative, and, both, and, as well as, etc. B. Alternative, or, either or, neither nor, etc. C. Adversative, but, yet, still, etc. D. Elative, so, therefore, etc. Subordinating conjunctions denote time, place, cause, effect, purpose, manner, condition, contrast, comparison, in degree, apposition, and concession. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.